Okay, I've ditched the kids to do a quick room tour. We're aboard the Carnival. I think it's the Sunrise, leaving Port of Miami to Cozumel, Mexico. I just wanted a quick room tour, and here it goes. Okay, upon entry to the room, it's supposed to be a king bed, but I think someone would have to come out, remove the nightstand, push the two beds together, but the kids decided one's gonna catch the couch. Mom gets a bed, older sister gets a bed. Mini fridge. Bought our own refreshments. Cute camera girl. And we have our own little slice of life. Can't wait to get out there. Oh, the most important room of all. Water closet. It's a little bit bigger than I expected. Shower's not so disgusting. Pull the shower back. The room feels bigger. Nothing fancy. Luggage not here yet, so we still have to get unpacked. I did not know. So when they find out there are 3 people sleeping in the room, instead of making a king bed, they have a bundle, a trunk. So they have a bunk bed system set up here. So now it's enough beds for all. Nobody has to take the couch.